I know you already seen it lowered and I drove it. I put about 20 miles on it today, roughly, no more. But anyway, I got my wiring kit that I ordered. It's a 4-gauge. Comes with this junk thing. I don't like them. I'm getting corrosion on the other one. It's got the wiring. It's got speaker wire. It's supposed to be 4 feet. All your connectors, but I went ahead and bought this fusible link kit port, and this is not even like it shows in the ad, but I can use them red pieces in here, and that goes in there. So early tomorrow morning, I'm gonna start putting that in. Put my subs of the other one in that. But it's completely lowered and it's all done. I just wanted to make a quick video. Tomorrow we're gonna put subs in. This will be my second video today. But she's down there. It's hitting the rear right now. Let's see if you can hear it. The rear is hitting the frame. If that piece wasn't there, it'd give a little more, but you can see how much them leaf springs are bowed. So, but it'll work for now. I'll put a piece of rubber in there, keep it up a little bit, and I'm putting airbags on it. So maybe next month I'll go ahead and get 3-inch drop springs. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.